Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you cranberries, chocolate, pistachio, fudge. I hope you're all going to enjoy this one. This one is at the request of the children what's watching the channel, and they wanted me to do something what they can follow along with and do as well. So I hope you're all going to enjoy this one. I'm going to show you the ingredients what I'm going to be using for today. And the ingredients, if you want a list of it, it's in the shopping list of what we're using today. So I'm going to now show you what this is involved with this recipe. Right everybody, so our ingredients what we're going to be using for today. We've got some butter. We've got some white chocolate. We've got some condensed milk or sweet milk. We've got our cranberries. And we've got our pistachio nuts. When you get the pistachio nuts, they usually come in a shell, so you're going to have to sit down and peel each one individually. So that's what I've done that before to save a bit of time. You're also going to need a 9x9 dish, or roughly around that size if you haven't got one at 8x8 or something like that. And you're going to need a non-stick pot. And you're going to need a spatula and a baking spoon. So those are what we're going to be using for today. So I'm going to show you the process of doing this one now. Right, so we're going to light up our fire. You're going to want a lowish heat. You don't want your heat too high on this. And into that we're going to put our butter. Once that's melted down a bit, then you're going to be adding the rest of your ingredients. So that's your butter into that. And you're going to be adding your condensed milk. Well, some people call it condensed milk, some people call it sweet milk. So you want to be getting as much of this out as you can. Or if you want to and you don't want to do it like this, you can just get your measuring thing and then just pour it straight into the pot. But we've just done it like this just to show you the recipe. And that's our butter and our condensed milk in there. Then once you've got that combined up a bit, you're going to be putting in your chocolate. And that's white chocolate. You're going to let this all combine together until it's smooth. You don't see no yellowing from the butter. So you just have to keep an eye on it. Just make sure that everything's mixed in and combined in. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to see us do something, what you would like to see done, please let us know. And please remember to watch our fortnightly shop brought product videos, which is on a Wednesday, which we're just buying things off the shelf or new products what we see in store. We'll buy them, do them according to the recipe what they give, and then we've got a panel. Sometimes it's 3 or 4, or maybe sometimes the odd occasion where there's going to be 5 in the panel, and we're just going to give you what each panel member gives it out of 10, and we'll give you the rating if we think the product is value for money or not. So watch out for those videos. So that's all melted together now, come together. So to that now, we're going to add our pistachios. And then we're going to add our cranberries. I'm going to give that a good stir in. Then you're going to want to make a bit of space in your fridge as well, because this is going in the fridge to cool down. It's going to be in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours to cool down. Then once it cools down, you're going to be cutting it into strips or into squares, or however you want to cut it, up to you. Leave that for a couple more minutes. Right, so we've got this, and we're still on a low heat. You just want everything to be smooth and combined in. So we're going to take it off the heat now and put it into our dish. So I'm going to show you that. So you're going to want to level this off. So making sure we get everything out. I'm going to level this off. So that's what it looks like when it's in the plate or tin or whatever you've got to put it in. And then you're going to be putting this in the fridge now, or if you want to, you can leave it till it cools down a bit more and then put it in your fridge. But it's going in your fridge till it cools down. So that's what it looks like. So once it cools down and that, and we're ready to go to the next stage, we'll come back to you on it. Right, everybody, so we've got our fudge to cool down, and we've taken out a bit so you can see what it looks like when it's set. That's what it should look like. You break it, you see the bits inside. So this is what you can do with the kids. I hope you all enjoy this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this one, so you're going to leave a lot of comments. So that's what it looks like, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one, and thank you for watching. Thank you.